So, did you bring the money?
Yes, I did. As a
Okay.
matter of fact, I do have it with me.
All right.
The thing about it is I don't have all of it.
You don't have all of it.
I wanted to see if I could just give you half up front now, and then after the whole process is over, I'll give you the rest, just to make sure everything goes as planned.
When are you gonna be able to give me the rest?
I mean, after the process, after I get the insurance and everything is up and rolling, I can give it to you, just so I can be on the safe side, you know?
Safe side?
Yeah.
I mean, because it takes me a second to do this. And this is not sounding too kosher for me.
No, it's fine, it's fine. It's just I want to make sure everything goes as planned, and then I'll be able to give you the rest of it.
Okay, how much did you bring?
Well, I brought half.
Bro, half?
Yes, half. Half
Okay.
of what you asked for. $10,000.
All right. Okay, let me see.
Combien vous avez là? Comment vous allez? Vous pouvez faire pour assurance ou bien
Assurance.
on va quel bel garçon toujours à venir là-bas.
La jambe belle là même. Je dis à mes chéris, on peut qu'elle là.
Oh, on peut qu'elle là?
Ah, on peut qu'elle là.
Eh mais tant que font petit chita là toujours moins. Chita là, bon chita, m'a bien koto. Ouais, ils ont qui pour. Ou mettre chita tant que l'année. Oh, oui, à tout comme là.
Tout comme là.
Oh, mes amis. Hey, oh, ok.
Bientôt.
High five. High five. Ouh là là. Mesdames, ça va mettre la caille, oui. Chaise l'entrée, lui monter, lui descendre. Comfortable. Oh, hey, comment elle est encore?
Ouais, te voilà.
Voilà, bien là. Bien là.
Ouais, on est juste pour ça.
On vient toucher l'argent, je dis, hein?
L'argent.
Ça, mes chéris, t'as pris le coup, hein?
Oui, il a pris
Mais
le.
où est-ce qu'il y a là?
Il y a bonne qui est en côté malin.
Qui sont pas le faire avec toute richesse, ça, eux-mêmes?
Ah, mon cher m'a enjoy life, you know.
Ok. Baguette madame.
Baguette madame, but at the same time, I'm looking for a team, team.
Et moi, chaque mesdame, ils viennent là, alors, entrer en dedans là. Vous toujours regarder le secrétaire là, oui?
Secrétaire look good.
Ah, je suis pour ça, Getty.
Ah,
Sexy, hein?
Sexy. Okay.
Mais moi, mes chéris, mais, no, be careful.
Be careful.
Vous faites business à yon, vous faites business à l'autre. Ok?
Okay.
Et ça, c'est le monde d'abdou.
All right.
Yep, it's all there.
Okay.
Half of the money.
All right, I was just looking and, I'm just gonna, all right, well, let's get started. Okay? A lot of people coming in here today. Okay.
Everything all right?
Well, yeah, everything's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, everything's fine.
You're a little fidgety.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
Yo, pour mes chéris, je dis, listen.
What's going on?
Ah, that's none of your business.
Hey, how are you? You look great.
You look great.
Thank you. This is Officer Jay.
Hi.
Samantha.
What's going on?
I mean, it's I have to do with Miss Sherry, so I had to bring.
Is this about last week?
Yes, definitely. We need to talk. It's very important.
It's
we
that
talk about
bad?
this. It's bad, really bad.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
What's the 411?
Okay. The problem is that Miss Sherry have a lot to do with everything that is going on with the company. According to the files, the fingerprint prints that we had when we look at the camera. Basically, everything, she has something to do with. Client's information,
The only
money.
in here.
So, how much longer do you think this is gonna take?
I don't know right now. Just,
Is everything all right?
everything's okay. Everything's okay.
Okay, because you look a little uncomfortable. Just
Yeah, just a
Alright,
little
either.
bit. Just. Let me take-
Well, I mean, take your time. I really don't have nothing
Okay.
planned. I just wanted to know
Yeah.
the process.
Okay, I'm gonna let you know. I'll let you know.
Piti, zengge boy ici. Ou connaît? Ou m'a parlé? Police ben en dedans. Côte police zam, tout bagay yo marché tout solide. Pour ça, ah Michel la position. Ou connaît li nan bagay chicken, crab en bas table. Yo connaît Miss Nicole pas même là. Oh.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's okay. Yeah.
Okay. What's going on?
Écoute mesdames yo pas vini yo kon bagay là. Yo kon ça y a fait, yo pas vini. Parce que ça nous va être bon moyen, nous va prendre rien même si pas comme ça parce que Miss Nicole pas même là. Dame ça depuis le pas là, c'est laisse ça désolé à passer nos office là.
I know, I'm
Is
sorry.
it necessary for the cop to be here?
Yes, it's very important for us to get everything situated, so we have to take her and, you know, ask some questions
Does she
and.
need a lawyer? Does the company have to provide her a lawyer because she still works here? Like, what's the...
It's a 50-50 chance. So therefore, after we talk to her, then we'll decide if she will need a lawyer, if we will take this to further actions.
Okay, what's first? Like, what's next?
We need to arrest her first. You comprend, but it's my job. That's my job. I have to do it.
Sure, you know what? You're the pro. Do what you have. Let's go.
Yeah. It won't. I'm pretty sure it will not be that bad. You know.
What is
Let's
she
see.
doing right now?
Well, I'm pretty sure she has some money. in her
Did you
right
guys
now.
talk to her already?
Oh, I didn't even know who I'm gonna come and arrest. Who I'm just from my grandmother.
Alright, you guys. Let's go.
Salut. Qui sont café pour lui là?
This is Miss Sherry.
Hey, how you doing, Michelle?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm here to arrest you
For what?
for something you do illegal in this business.
What did I do illegal?
Man, you have to arrest.
Hello?
I'm very disappointed in you.
How could you be disappointed in me?
Take care of her case.
Good job.
What are you?
Feyton.
No problem.
What? You know her?
She works for me.
I'm sorry, Miss Sherry. You've been under investigation for a couple weeks.
You gotta be kidding me.
Unfortunately, I'm not.
And you didn't even give me all my money?
Okay, man. Thank you.
Look, Miss Sherry, you're gonna need double times the money
I'm on for the one about
this
this.
time around.
I need backup, please.
What?
Be careful, man.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. You did absolutely a great job. Okay?
So what now?
Yeah, Dixie Highway on 4121.
The owner's not even here. I'm not ready for all of that.
What we can do is we can bring her in and have her confess about, you know, just let's hear what she had to say.
Would that be enough for her not to get arrested though?
Hopefully, yeah. I have to hear what she got to say
You
first.
think she's gonna confess?
I hope so.
After
or else
all those
we will have
frauds?
to take her if she doesn't want to. She have two choices.
She lies all the
Confess,
time anyways.
because we have all the proof. So it's either she confessed or we take her with us. She get
I
arrested.
can call the cops with her and we'll see what's going on.
Officer J, bring her please.
Okay. What's going on?
Okay, Miss Sherry, do you know why you're here?
Please just be truthful.
I'm here to help. You have to be honest. You have to confess exactly what you did. Because I have all the proof.
all right, look, okay, yeah. I did all that stuff you got out of my computer,
Why?
Because I had to do what I had to do. I have to eat.
Which?
They don't pay me enough here.
Lower your
Can
voice,
you lower
please.
your voice, please?
Okay, is that all you have to say?
Yes, that's all I have to say.
Do you have anything that you need to give back? Do you have anything on you?
No, well,
Please think carefully before you speak.
I have
because your job depends on it.
$5,000 the lady brought here.
Where is that $5,000?
It's in my briefcase.
Okay.
Why?
I trusted you. The company trusted you. Why?
Because I had to do what I had to do.
I'm not here to arrest that. That was not my, my attention. But the fact that you did something so out of control, I had no other choice but to put you under arrest.
So what do you think? Check to see if the money is there. Will that be at least
Yeah.
enough for now?
Yeah, since the money, if all the money is in there, then,
All the money is in there.
okay.
All right, the truck is outside.
I can go get it.
Give me 1 second.
All right.
You,
Yeah, hold on a second.
You want to go check?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. Did you see where she put the money?
I believe she put it in this bag. I see her bending over, so it's in here.
Maybe somewhere in here. This is not it. Just hold on here, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I have the money here. Nothing's missing.
Okay.
Everything is here. So
Okay.
please, don't let me have to come here again.
All right. I mean, like I said, it's just, okay, yeah, I see
Okay.
what you're saying.
I don't want to have to come here to
Yeah.
deal with you getting arrested. It's not really a good look.
Okay,
I'm sorry I had to do what I had to do.
Yeah.
It's my job.
yeah.
Okay?
All right.
All right, Officer J.
Let me have a word with her, okay?
Sure.
So
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay. Well, since now we have everything settled, which is it's still not a good
Hopefully
look
that
for
was the
company.
only case and it's not like with everybody else.
Yeah. We won't have to go through this again, hopefully.
Hopefully not. Hopefully this is the only
All right.
situation in the front.
Thank you.
All right, Miss Sheriff, thank you for your time. My
Right,
name is
guys.
Sarah.
All right,
It was my pleasure working here with you.
my pleasure too.
Okay?
Okay.
We'll see
All right,
you
sir.
another
I'll
time.
talk to you later.
Thank you so much, Samantha.
Thank you, officer.
You're very
Thank
welcome.
you so much.
You're very welcome. Accomplished.
Madame.
Oui.
Vin chita, papa. Kano konse. Ou manke pou m ale atak, oui?
Ah, ma travay la longtemps. E men bagay yo.
What happened?
I just, things was just getting so hard for me. I started losing houses that I've bought, and I had to do what I had to do.
I had to pull out favors because they had the evidence, the what's her name? The girl?
Yeah, the
She has
investigator. I didn't
videotape.
know that she was an investigator.
Well, duh. But because most people don't know that, but we're losing the company. I think Miss Nicole gonna have to sell it. So we all might be out of a job. So it's not worth it. We can always find another job. Always.
Yeah, that's true
And
too.
you have a lot of experience and you do a great job. Your resume is amazing.
Thank you. I thank you though for what you did today for me. I really appreciate it. I mean, because I could have been going to jail. Right now, I could have been in the car.
It's not worth it. So let's all go back to work, act like it's nothing ever happened, and now let's all stay on the legal side.
All right. Well, I owe you one, okay?
You're welcome, honey.
All right.
Have a good one.
Thank
I'm
you.
in the back.
All right.
Nicole be party Miss Nicole.
Chérie,
Yeah.
what happened? Yo ki tou
Petit,
ale?
yo di mal.
Sa pase men?
Ah, tout bagay, petit bye.
Bay, konen nan komite yo.
Konen.
Mes amis, Jean bon moun.
Parfois bon moun bon tout.
Compran.
Mais bagay yo bon avem toujours avant, oui. Nous
So,
faisons deal là.
Ok.
Bagay yo bon, bagay yo.
Sa yo tou men, sa yo tou.
Mais yo di me mettre aller, même pas comme si bagay ça a fini comme ça.
Koman l fè joun informasyon sa?
Et bon changer la devini au de fois.
Sa m de tou.
So, ou te gen raison.
Ah.
C'est ou te gen raison.
Ah, bon.
C'est ou te gen raison. Ou te gen raison.
Dou, fon nan te tou aklerè.
Et ou te gen
Ni
raison.
mache de...
Ou te gen raison. C'est même là où t'as dans valise là.
Mpadou.
Ah, ou te gen raison, ou te gen raison, ou te gen raison.
Nan be careful.
Ah, petit man, careful.
C'est vrai.
A fait bail différent pour rien.
Eh bien, ok. You know, ta priye pou.
OK, merci.
On fè di bon travay.
Oui, priez pour moi. Priez pour moi. Jésus capable. Même pas aller là, pas comment arrêter non parce que je pense c'est ça. Ouais, dire me aller parce que pas arrêter là non. Même pour aller attendez, n'a getan ouais. Même pas arrêter non, m'a aller.
Wale,
M'aller.
ma tou ala go.
Pas toi là, ben OK. Parce que c'est tellement fait. C'est comme si son émotion
Ah bien, ok, chérie.
Non, mais ça passe dans le schedule.
non, dans ce genre le bail on se genre en tête chaque jeudi. Oui. On va venir l'autre semaine lundi. M'abrelo.
Ok.
Men
Ok.
nou bal bot ti te pou bwe.
Oh oui, petit. Si me de l'eau celle là, c'est ça net.
Really? A Victoria's Secret in the parking lot?
I don't
You
know,
see,
but I mean,
There's no Victoria's Secret on me, okay?
you go out with Molina, right?
Who?
Molina.
Who's Molane? Who's that? Molane?
Oh, you don't know the name of the girl you want to meet her mom?
Yeah, Miss Nicole Molina, the daughter.
Okay, yes.
Is there
No,
something I need to know?
No, listen, she's just, no, me and Molana, she's not my girl, she's just a friend.
A friend?
She's just a friend.
We're trying to help you. If you don't sell the company and you let the lawsuit take it away from you, you're gonna lose everything. And when it's time to retire, I see what to do. We're trying to help you.
Compagnon, tapé vraiment avantage dans compagnon pour nous capable acheter. C'est que we gonna give you like double the price. We gonna double the price. So whatever sack you wear on the market.
Take off your glasses.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, when you call me mother, mommy,
Yes, mommy.
in love with my daughter,
Mommy,
you
this
were
is
another double cross.